No, we just had to look outside, and there's this weird bird. Let me zoom in for y'all. This weird bird right there. Weird fat bird. Look at it. No, because she got the eyes on here. Oh, let me get it. Done. And this is crazy. Look at that thing. That thing was kind of scary. I don't know what it is, y'all. But it's kind of scary. I was mom was telling me she's a big deal. She's still taking anybody. Hey, look at this thing. Ew. I told Mama Tina was okay. She was okay tomorrow morning. Huh? He gets a little beak. He's fat. He needs to lose weight. That is good. I don't know what it is. Huh? Is his eye so big? Try to say he's a sparrow. I am zooming in. His eyes is open. He's blinking. Oh, yeah. You can stop it now. Okay. No. But, yeah, he is apparently seems to just be sitting there. Hey, Brad, is this showing on the camera? Yeah, it is. Hey, why did you open it on Sunday, okay? You have a better shot of it. No. She said, what's wrong? She said, your face is swollen. Yeah, it's wrong, but that's I'm trying that thing. So shoulder up the back, because all you got the handle of the thing. Oh. Come right to the left, yeah. Open the side door. No, if you do, it'll fly off. I don't think it'll fly. This thing is fat, man. What? It's not heavy, it's just feathers. He's still in the bed. This is weird. We come home, and we look outside in the back, and he right there. Ain't no telling how long he been here. For real, he was. Hey, but I hope Sky will see him. I know, Sky ain't afraid. He ain't afraid of Sky or something. He just sitting. Man, this is unbelievable, y'all. This on the, what's that called? Nah, but yeah, that too. Hey, what are you smacking on? What are you doing? Look at it. Alright, can we stop recording? I'm getting tired. Face it towards the... They don't tell me what these pieces in the fridge. You gotta get used to it. Well, that's